Qeqeshiwe. She's an actress, a musician. I've done dance esikolweni. I used to do ucula and also dancing. My roots are from MMMC, eMantanjeni. I'm the only child in my family. Ndingumntana nje wakhulela apha eCulture Park and yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Magriza Made Me Cook. My name is Prince Mahlang. So today we're here in Culture Park and we're here to spend the day with Qeqeshiwe Mntambo, who's an award-winning actress and a recording artist. So Qeqeshiwe is going to tell us a journey in the music industry, and also we're going to speak some Xhosa and also experience some Xhosa food culture. Welcome to the show. Welcome to Magriza Made Me Cook.
Thank you so much. Hey, uQeqeshiwe. She's an actress, a musician. I've done dance. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, one
yeah.
You do dancing, you do acting.
Yeah.
Which one came first?
I think dance.
Dance.
And dance. I think konke kwakuhamba kubalansana. So when I started even esikolweni, I used to do ucula and also dancing because in the we born on TV all the time, you know. So after iskolo, after primary school, I was doing the same thing. High school, I was doing the same thing. So kwakuhamba kunye. So into ngathi yabuya after it was acting. Yabuya nje naturally. Then I thought, you know what, let me pursue this. Because into ngathi ndiyayithanda, you know.
Ubuze ube yi-professional,
I started ngo-2010 ku-Bambatha Actors Center eka-Sticks Mhlanga. Kulapho esasiqalisa khona i-theatre nama-radio drama. That's how we were trained. Ukuthi attachment ukuthi ungathi you have to go to and practice somewhere. So saqala ama-radio drama, saqala ngama-stage play. Wasifundisa into ezininzi. So that's where I got exposure then.
I think famous, let's talk about your role with Stitch.
Okay.
Yeah, as Utuli.
Hey, it's Utuli. Stitch ngoye owang upliftayo. Like it was not an easy role to play because I acted on Beata and Beata was like
big shoes to
fill. Yes.
Umbuzo wami was ukusebenza no isiNdebele uNtombi zomqanga.
Yes.
How was the experience there?
Well, it was a great experience because saqala, imagine, see, in fact, I'm audition sasimbe 30-40 females for the audition. Audition. Then kwasala about 20 people. So our first production entombi zomqanga la eseBulawayo theatre sasibaninzi because kwakunabantu from different groups. Then safuswa entweni eyi-1 and kwaqala itour yethu. Our first tour was in Germany, Austria. Then the last tour esahamba kuyo kwakuseRussia. That was our Gabanda sana Gabanda sasihleli sinxiba ama-jacket kuphela qha. But it was a great experience because hambe emazweni. I think abantu abaninzi yabona ku-art industry they always dream about into lezi. ukuthi I had the chance, so I'm grateful for that.
So what was the motivation behind Ubaleka?
Ubaleka, you know what, Ubaleka ngamenza nomuntu sivani. In fact, one nigga beat what, let's just try this beat because you know it's a house DJ. And you know wangani twista kancane. So I was like, let me just try this. Ngazama I beat la khona. Then I think ama lyrics akhona ayasho uba baleka nangwesiza nangiyalandela. It's not a diss track. Okay, it's like reality uba kwabantu abanenkinga yabona sonke isikhathi umuntu uhlale on your case. Yeah, wenza lento. So sometimes people need to chill. Like bakunika isikhathi. Now perfumule. Yo. So it's just like, you know, it's just a fun song to me. But because my lyrics are theater, so if ungayimamela, you have to if you listen to it
for an inspiration.
For an inspiration, and that's how I write my songs. Okay. So I think okay, let me just write what I'm feeling at that particular moment.
Okay. Yeah. As an artist, I'll say you're established because enjoying pleasure like
yeah.
What's the problem? Which why abantu benga supporting a local artist? And
I think we're always complaining about the same thing. I'm artists, but we don't have a solution. I would say that honestly, we are sebenza up to a point about okay, now I need help. Mfuni push. I can't do this alone. And those people abane access to everything. I think babo singabafumaniyo. And trust me, Bulawayo artists basebenza nzima. Ukuthi abantu bangasiteleli phandle lapha. Abantu ababesilande kuma shows. Umuntu nxa ekulande shows, somebody must pay. You can't just come to a show mahara. So kuqala kuma shows, kuqala kuma promoters, kuqala ema stations. I-support nalana yele ekhaya. I-support evela kumuntu, i-support evela ama station, i-support evela ku TV. I think that's what we need.
Collectivity.
Yes.
Since we're talking about Bulawayo,
yeah.
You also did a dedication track for Calvin.
Yeah.
Who I think was so vocal about the issue. And how's your relationship with That Luveve Boi?
Yo. That was my boy. Umuntu velo makhelwane. I knew Calvin from kudala esabuya lapha ehamba wayekonjiwe somewhere. Manintombi wayengumngani wami. So because aqala khona ukwazana and kwabane like Konkanti is a musician, I'm also a musician. So I link up, then vele ngantshona se studio whenever ngafumana ixesha I would pass by. So you know what, Calvin slashelwe ngomunye umuntu, and umuntu we're always talking about the same thing, and naye wayithetha and bamzondela ukuthi uyakhuluma iqiniso. Yeah, wayithetha inyani Calvin bemzondela lo nto kuba uthetha inyani. But well, I guess kusemhlabeni.
Inkosi ne.
Yeah.
Uqeqeshiwe ukhule vele emncane ehlabela ngathi wahlabela vele. She was maybe 4 days. She had a rhythm lokuzeni ene 4 days esasingayi understand sibizana sonke engakhali but kuyi rhythm lokuzeni. So ukhuleke eyithanda lento ye music apha ekhaya vele thina sibe singama fans enemapha estupini sesemncane. So thina no tata njengoba she's the only girl, thina lo tata siyabe singani sigcwele ihall. Wayehlabela kakhulu ingoma zika Brenda kakhulu, ezigida futhi kakhulu ingoma zika Brenda. Iseseko grade 6 up. Wasuka ke waya le George. Le George she was a favorite ka headmaster ngoba vele yonke into idrama ucula wayecula kakhulu le lokuzeni eGeorge. So babuya bengani bayi group nama cousin omadu bahle bangena ke kubambatha hayi kusukela lapho ke hayi yabheda hayi uyayithanda ke I-music so hayi simfisela konke sehambile she had made us proud very thina siphakeme noma singakabi la lutho okwakathesi into asenzele yona iqeqe hayi usasifake emaphini kakhulu.
Qeqe decided to cook for us a special Xhosa dish known as Umngqusho. This dish is made from white maize and sugar beans and is a staple food for the Xhosa people. The dish can also be cooked with meat and gravy, so we decided to add beef, onions, herbs and tomatoes to the beans. Umngqusho shows the uniqueness and authenticity of Xhosa food culture, as this dish has found its way into the kitchens of other cultures in Southern Africa. I personally fell in love with this dish while staying in the Eastern Cape in South Africa. I can confidently say, ukutya kwesiXhosa kumnandi. Sabona lapho kulo mngqusho le ibifu.
Yes.
Yeah, one interesting factor. EsiXhoseni umngqusho I hear it's a combination of the beans, the bunches. But thina kile isiNdebeleni umngqusho is the same.
Ngisempi yodwa.
Insembi yodwa.
Hayi thina senze njalo. Sempi ihamba nenyama le beans. Everything kumele kube khona lapha ukuzuza ukuthi udle isempi ayikhona okwenu lokho elikudlayo
angatsho nje yithi vele
hayi nasazi buya lo mngqusho
wethu uthi amaXhosa yabuya le mngqusho lapha eZimbabwe
sithi sabuya namngqusho
oh
sasinombono omninzi ngalo sasilima thina
uthi ngoku sibethe ixesha lokho besiya kumele ixesha
research
exactly. Very important question.
Yeah.
Uma umuntu ejonge lapho wants to be a singer or an actress or a dancer.
Okay.
What advice can you give them?
It's not easy kuba ku industry le. But now dedicated ukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Trust me, whether it's ufuna uba lawyer, ufuna uba doctor, but at industry you have to be patient and ube ne discipline. Because abanye bahamba bachabalala baphelele emoyeni into eziningi. So you need to be disciplined, especially women.
Then for people, if they want to connect to the Qeqe,
well, uQeqe ngabuye ekhaya umuntu ofuna uQeqe kaze apha eCountry Park. So ngiyakhona on Facebook as uQeqe Mntambo, on Twitter as uQeqe Mntambo, my Facebook page, main page, Qeqeshiwe Mntambo. And on Instagram, I'm everywhere. YouTube, my music is on YouTube. If you want to download my music, you have to buy my music. My music is online everywhere. On Spotify, Apple Music, my music is everywhere. Deezer, all those platforms.
Okay, it's time to go for the spending the day with us.
Yeah, hey, it's been
Ekas Couch Park.
at least it get that ukuphekelwa yabona. Let's hope the food is nice.
Yeah, I just hope I don't have a running.
No, thanks pheka is smooth.
This is smooth. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll spend the day with Qeqeshiwe. Please follow her, support her. She's a superstar. May your star keep shining.
Oh, thank you very much.
Keep it up.
Thank you, man.
Bye.
Thank you.
Till next time.
Thank you.
Peace.
Peace out.